Life cycle of a chili plant. Chilies are known for their hot fiery flavor, but can also stimulate the circulation and boost metabolism, giving a feeling of energy. The word chili can also be spelled chili and chili. Seedlings. Chili seedlings require heat, moisture and oxygen to germinate. The best situation for germination is medium soil in seedling trays or small pots. It will take a few days to several weeks for the seedlings to break surface. Fertilization. Rich soil produces more fruit, so poor soil requires fertilization, plenty of mulch and compost. Watering is also a key to a healthy plant. Pollination. As the plants grow, flowers will begin blooming. The flowers will begin dying after a few weeks, and chilies will form. Fruiting. The flower's petal will drop off as the green middle part starts swelling, which is the chili pepper growing. The plant will continue producing fruit into the autumn and perhaps beyond under favorable temperature and soil conditions. Fertilization. Once the plants bear fruit, small amounts of organic liquid fertilizer every few weeks will help support the growing process.